What the? Jesus! 60 miles per hour! Yikes! Just absolutely mental how this car goes. Wow! What's going on, guys, and welcome to another video of us. You can tell from the title, it's the first drive of the Audi TT. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. From the previous video, I know you guys, from support, from the fact that we bought this car and we thought it was a misfire, we thought it's a lemon. We've fixed it, we've got it on the road. Now we're gonna test drive it. Clear this window up. Wow! My God, this car is so responsive. This is crazy. Okay, we're just gonna let this Range Rover overtake me. Let's go. Let's not waste any time. Let's go. Whoa! Gee. Traction control light just turned on a 4-wheel drive. That's nuts. You can hear that boost like coming in. Look. Now. See that? Look again. That is crazy. Wow. Alright, let's just get to the facts. We all know 225 means 225 brake horsepower. I know a lot of people in the comments can vouch for me that the BAM engine is one of the best, the first Audi S3 engines ever made. And from that, it's like, it just made the lines, didn't it? But this car, that turbo is crazy. And I think, obviously, this TT, it doesn't look nice, but it's quite light and rigid. So it doesn't weigh that much compared to the other Audis. And that's why there's no lag when you drive this car. See it? Wow, it's so responsive. You know what? I was changing my mind to sell this car now. Honestly, like, the TT don't look nice, but the performance is just crazy. £1,000, and you got a car that does 0 to 60 in, I'd say, 6 seconds, I believe. I'd like to see what this does against the Type R, to be honest. I know we're supposed to do a Type R video against the Celica. It's a bit tricky to get all the cars at once, but let's try this out. We're on a 70. Let's do like we'll do a launch. Come on, why not? What the hell? Jesus Christ! 60 miles per hour! Yikes! Man, how could people not like the TT? My head is dazzled right now. It don't make any sense. It's just crazy, and I think with a few bolt-on mods and a remap, which a lot of people do get on the TTs to about 260 to 280 brake horsepower, this will be a weapon on the road. This will, absolute weapon. Don't know what else to say, but this car is in bends like this. It handles in a bend like it's on rollerblades. Am I starting to like TTs? Because this is weird. Right, we're in the country lanes again. Let's just go for a first one again, first gear. Let's go. No lag. The shift and everything. Gosh, this can be a B-roll weapon at this rate. Wow, the brakes are absolutely remarkable. This is crazy. It grips in the bends. It's just absolutely mental how this car goes. My guys, let me know what you think, because TTs is not a joke. You can only imagine what a TTRS would be. Oh man, look at that! I'm like, I've got no words to say, but it's fast. Also, the Celica was quick. This is way quicker. Okay, guys, we are back at the HQ, and gosh, what a remarkable car. I'm literally, just as I was driving, was the truth. I've got no words, but this car is an absolute weapon. It drives fast. There's no lag. It's crazy. I could just repeat myself because I can't get my head around how quick this thing is and how quick it is. and why it's so underrated. And everybody, I mean everybody, slates the Audi TT, but this, it's just next level. But anyway, I gotta talk about this car. Obviously, like, you know, we just got this car recently, £1,000, running great. Brakes were remarkable on this. We fixed it. Any issues? Let's open the bonnet. Still running absolutely smooth, guys. I don't know what to do now, whether to keep this car or sell it on, because I did not expect that. Honestly, that was just crazy. Well, anyways, let's just cut it there. If you want to get this versus a Type R or any other car, let me know down below. And thank you again for the non-stop support on the channel. Thank you very much for watching. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.